Hey, welcome back to the channel. It's John with Salt, Pepper, and Fire. If you're new here, I appreciate you stopping by the channel. I just ask that you look around, check out the content, and if you like it, give me a subscribe. And if you've been with me for a while, I want to thank you. I just recently hit 400 subscribers, and that's thanks to you guys, so I want to say that I appreciate it. Got a new toy. That's what we'll be looking at today, so stick around. Let's get into it. All right, so I just recently picked up the new Blackstone 22-inch E-Series griddle. This griddle is the first official indoor-outdoor griddle. It features 2 burners with a digital temperature control, both equaling 500 degrees. It also has a 358 square inch cooking surface that is coated with titanium for non-stick. It also features a glass hood for steaming. I'm pretty excited about this. I'm gonna do a cook on it. We're not really gonna focus on the cook, it's just trying it out for the first time. So I'll be doing smash burgers, so let's get into that. All right, we will get this turned on to start toasting our buns. All right, so we're gonna get a little bit of butter down on the surface to start toasting these buns. The buns are looking pretty good here, so I believe I'm gonna go ahead and grab these off and we'll start the burgers. All right, so let's get some of these burgers on. right, so these smash burgers are done. They are looking good. Buns done, they're looking good. So let's build us a sandwich. So no taste test on this one, but we will definitely do the drive-by, just like Steve and Craig. Oh, look at this. All right, so you saw the burgers. After cooking on this griddle, I would say that I really like it. I'm looking forward to more cooks on it. It's very versatile, easy to clean up, and you have, a bunch of options of what you're able to cook on it. So thank you guys for watching. Please, like I always say, subscribe, give me a like, leave in the comments if you have one or if you're thinking about getting one. Till next time, we'll see you guys.